Hi everybody, I'm Assembly Member Harry Bronson. I represent portions of the city of Rochester and 3 suburban rural towns outside of Rochester. I am SUNY all the way. SUNY and CUNY are our higher education institutions that give our young people opportunities, possibilities, and hope. I know this because I walked that journey through SUNY Oswego. I know this because I didn't think there were possibilities for me. But then I was able to get into the SUNY system. And for those of folks who have been able to take advantage of public education, whether it's through SUNY or CUNY, their world has opened up. And that's what this is about, giving people opportunities, having them seize upon those opportunities so they can grow and be the best they possibly can. Let's go SUNY, let's go CUNY.